सोध्न त मिल्छ मैले थाहा पाएँ भने त एन्सर दिने हो मेरो विषय त परेन फेरि
त्यहाँकै अब नेगेटिभ वर्ड नहाली सेन्टेन्स नबनाउनु नि अब नेगेटिभ वर्ड भन्नाले कस्तो यस्तो डिड नटहरू यस्तो नट नहाल्ने भनेर कि आके अब नेभरहरू यस्तो वर्डहरू
जस्तै कुनै सिचुएसन आउँछ जस्तै मानौँला तपाईँको बहिनीलाई कसैले चाहिँ रेप एटेम्प गर्दैछ अब तपाईँ हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ यो बेला के गर्ने भन्दा त त्यहाँ त अब उनीहरूलाई फाइट गर्ने गर्ने बाहेक त अरू सोल्युसन हुँदैन त्यो त नेगेटिभतिर गयो एउटा माइन्डले त भनेपछि त्यो चाहिँ लेख्न मिल्दैन किन
तिमीहरू हिजो टियोलाई नसोधेर आज आइयोलाई किन सोधिरहेको मेरै हिसाबले आएको हो भने त तिमीहरूको कसैलाई भेट्नु नपर्ने भयो 8 बजेदेखि आउँछु भनेर 11 बजीसम्म आइराख्ने मान्छेहरू डिक्सनरी पल्टाउँछ लेखायो होला नि छैन तपाईँहरूको मेरै डिक्सनरी हेर्नु छु नि तिमीहरूको म के हो अङ्ग्रेजको स्कलर होइन क्या अरे लेखायो होला नि कता कता अक्सफोर्ड डिक्सनरी के वाट आर हबिज एन्ड वाट आर त्यसमा फेरि एउटै भनिदिन्छ यो अङ्ग्रेजले हबीको स्पेलिङ के अरे दिएको त मैले पनि दम गरेको इज अ नाउन इज एन अक्सिलरी एक्टिभिटी फेरि अक्सिलरी हेर्नुपर्छ तिमीहरूलाई इट इज एभोकेसन बाइलाइन पर्सुट स्पेयर टाइम एक्टिभिटी So normally, हामी नेपालीले बुझ्ने चाहिँ it's more of a spare time activity भन्नु. अब if you want to know what is interest, anything that is interesting to you is interesting. एकदम सिम्पल अराउजिङ or होल्डिङ your intention जेले गर्यो that is interest. Interest is तिम्रो casual. Hobbies are something you are following actually. आफ्नो साइड इन्ट्रेस्ट हो. तर हामीहरू my interest is in photography भन्यो भने it might be just watching photography. But if your hobby is photography, then you are looking, you are taking pictures, you are involved in developing them, continuity. You are maybe sometimes wanting to take part in an exhibition. It's a side business of yours. That is hobby. तर हामी जे पनि हबिज भन्दैछौँ सिङ्गिङ डान्सिङ इज आवर हबी भन्थ्यो जिन्दगीमा एकचोटि कतातिर यसो गुनगुनाएको थियो होला बाथरुममा बसेको होला चुकुल छैन भने काम लाग्छ भनेर गीत गाएको होला त्यसलाई हबिज भन्छ चुकुलको काम गरेर गीत गाउन हबिज हुन्छ द लास्ट नेगेटिभ भनेको चाहिँ I cannot answer for your TO, but what I can answer is negative nahala bhaneko chahi if there is a possibility of positive त्यसलाई किन नेगेटिभ गर्छौ भन्न खोजेँ। Two boys were beating a man with a stick भन्ने सिचुएसन आयो भनेदेखि he went and stopped them. Might be a right action you will take. He requested them not to stop and wanted to understand why they were beating. But negative would be he also got a stick and started beating them. So अब ठटाइलाई ठटाइ नै मारेको that is negative. If there are any other option, use that one. Negative. Like your question, I hope that kind of situation question will not come in your TOS exam. It's a very, very sensitive question. It is about some crime being committed. If a crime is being committed and you have to take action so that you can stop that crime, then that cannot be called negative. There is already negative there. And stopping negative is positive. So how can you say it's negative? It is not negative. That is, त्यस्तो अनावश्यक चिज भएकोलाई ठिक गर्न गरेको काम त हामी के भन्ने त आवश्यक भन्ने कुरो पनि त्यस हुनाले त्यो यस्तो अटेम्प्ट भयो उस्तो भनेर जुन सिचुएसन तिमीहरूले प्र्याक्टिस गरिरहेको छौ त्यसमा चाहिँ यु डोन्ट निड टु से द्याट इज नेगेटिभ. Okay, if you have any questions, last 5 minutes, otherwise now we'll go for the model. Any? Did I want to tell you something else? Okay, normally before we conduct that model, let me just introduce to you what happens in general. In general, you are told to come for the interview at a certain time. Please be on time. Like this time I am looking at the routine. The interviews are normally starting from 09:30 onwards. So when they say 9:30, the army expects its candidates to be there at least 10 minutes before. Okay? At 9:30 somebody will come and he'll take the group. You might just be left alone. And since it is being done at Bhadrakali, it is not very far. It is at a central place. So don't give excuse like I had this, I had that. No. You reach there in the given time. Maybe when you reach there, the interviewing officer will divide you into two groups. Because sometimes 9:30 is early time for some people coming from far. They may not have had their food. So you will say, okay, 1 to 5 or 1 to 4, you stay. And then from 5 to 8, you come at 12. Then 8 to 10, you come at 3. So he might give you some time to go and get your food and come back again. But the first thing is be there on time. If you miss that bus meaning if you are out, sometimes the interviewing officer might say no, if he is not on time, means he is not worth to be selected, tell him go out. Finished. He will just mark you as absent. So that is your fault. So make a point of meeting him at the given time and destination 10 minutes before. They will not come for you even 1 minute before. They will be there 5 minutes before, but they will keep on watching. Okay, given time is this. At that time, they will take it. So by the time, if it's given 9:30, if you are there 1-2 minutes early also, it's no problem. But if you are late, you might miss it. So be on time. Then you might be told to stay in a certain place to wait. So maybe if few friends are there, you can talk. Don't make too much noise. You can interact with yourself. Whoever finishes the interview, don't be stupid to stop him and ask what he was asked. No. He goes in his way, somebody is checking. And if you foolishly want to talk, they have already tick mark. So don't talk. It is none of your business what you have asked. Most likely 90% of the same question will be asked to you. So you do, and by him telling, you will understand nothing. Buddha? But you are talking, you have been marked. Oh, अर्थ नभर्थको गफ बोल्दै न उसले के सोधे भन्न भ्याछ न यसले के सोधे भनेर खालि यो चाहिँ के हो अब झन् थप तर्स्यो अब डराए ल भन्दै भन्दै so that is the more minus point for you. Don't do that. When your time comes, somebody will guide you. यहाँसम्मको कोठा यहाँ हो, यहाँबाट यता जाने भनेर देखाइदेला. You just knock 2-3 times. You will say, please come in. Come in. Look at the time of the day, morning, afternoon, evening. Wish your interviewing officer accordingly. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir. Whatever is the time, you go inside. He will tell you, okay, have a seat. There will be a seat. You say, thank you, sir. Sit down. Then he will ask you a few formalities. How are you? Did you have your food? Where are you coming from? How did you come? So it's simple, normal. Then he will tell you, okay, please, once I start my interview, please do not lie with me. You know, lie, not sleep. Lie is no jhuta. Okay? Don't lie to me. Don't cheat. Don't hold back your answers. Tell whatever is free. Even if you have any shortcoming, you please tell that also, so that you can always improve to make better. And then the interviewing officers have technique that if you are lying, they will come to know about it. And then you will be marked liar, you jhuto manche ho, again gata. So even if you have any shortcomings, केही कमी कमजोरी छ भनेदेखि त्यसलाई नेगेटिभ वेबाट प्रस्तुत नगरिकन मेरो केही कमी कमजोरीहरू यस्ता छन् जसलाई म सुधार्न गइरहेको छु. I am trying to improve upon these kind of shortcomings that I have भनेर भनिन्छ. Okay. So this is what we are talking about. And then after that, a series of questions will come. This series of questions have a long series in them. Listen very carefully what all is being asked. And as I am asking in the model, if you have the time, just write down those questions. It's nothing big. First one you want to write, you can write down. It is about education, your education in your high school, class 10, in your campus, then about your best subjects, best friends, best teachers, and also in your campus, about your best subjects, best teachers, best friends, how many friends you had, why you wanted them as best friends, what qualities did you look for to choosing best friends. Do you have any doubts? So these are the things. But since you are all listening right now and you think you remember everything, but once you sit in that chair, you will forget after 2-3 times what was the remaining part of the question. You are confused. So if you write it down, then you know what you are going to answer. But this will be, you will hear it as a long question. And say, okay, go ahead. Then the second part will start about your family, about your neighborhood, about your friends, circles in your neighborhood, about your best friends, what type of best friends, about your hobbies, about your interests, about your interest in sports, what are the things you like, about your daily routine in a normal day, about your holidays, what are the books, literature, magazines you like reading, do you have any very interesting story to tell about? Isn't this a long thing now? If you want to remember what I asked in the beginning of the second part, most of you are now like this. So you have to remember and write so that you can answer. Then the third part might be to organize something like we were talking about, picnic, or sports competition, debate competition, a cleaning program, a blood donation camp, anything. And that also you are going to, you all were there for the 5 Ws, weren't you? Most of you are about to go to sleep. I wonder. You don't lie, सुनिरहेको छौ? कतिवटा कान्छ? एकजनाले। तीनटा भएको छ? They should keep you awake for 5 more minutes. Answer. बेला बेला जवाफ दिइराख्यो भने क्लासमा तिमीलाई सबभन्दा लिन लाग्ने टाइम मेरो जस्तै हो, बानी हो भने जहाँ गुरुको कुरा मात्रै सुन्यो, गुरुलाई हेरिराखेको त गुरु चाहिँ एकदिन पछि त गर्लफ्रेन्ड हुन्छ, त्यहाँबाट पाउ पो हुन्छ, अनि त्यो जेरी जस्तो हुन थाल्छ फेरि। समोसा मगाएको थियो भनेर जान्छ गुरुको नाक समोसा भइसक्यो, एन्ड देन यु गो टु स्लिप। It's everybody. So the best way to wake up in class is एक दुईटा question, answer, एक दुईटा हाँ चाहिँ मिलाइराख्यो भने what you can tell your body is I am participating. I don't have time to sleep. भन्यो भने चाहिँ your body participates. It is awake. But when you do nothing, your body is very clever. Go to sleep. दिइरा हुन्छ अनि त मान्छे त मतलब हामी यसो हेरेर आउँथ्यो अनि बिहान पुरी पिटी खेलेर कहिले ढल्नुला जस्तो होला क्लासमा, गुरुलाई यसरी हेरे मान्छे हेरेर बजाइन्छ, चसुङ्ग हुन्छ फेरि। He's so tired, but then the only way you can keep your tired mind awake is you have to tell I am participating. Sir, yes, मात्रै भन्यो भने पनि you are being part of that group. त्यो भाग भयो भने मात्रै you get to stay awake. Otherwise सुनिरा हुन्छ, त्यो प्ले चल्यो नि, कतिजनाले सुन्यो प्ले, धेरैले सुन्यो, कतिजना त्यो सिटा बस्न पुगिसकेको थियो होला। It's like that. The mind is so stupid fast. कहाँ जाने होला यो भनेर म त सिधा बसिसक्यो, सिट बेल्ट बाँधिरहेको छ, यहाँको कुरा सुन्ने छैन। यो मन दिमाग भने यस्तो छिटो जान्छ। त्यसो भए lot of distractions. You have to hold on. Okay. आउटै हो कि फर्किने? छिटो हो है, छिटो। फेरि नमुना छुट्यो। Okay. In that organization part, like we were talking about this 5 W's or 5 वटा क भनेर को कहाँ कहिले किन भनेर राखे जस्तै र कसरी, who, what, where, when, why and how. These things, in these things there will be small problems that might come. यो प्रब्लम्सहरु कसरी सल्भ गर्छ त्यो मान्छेले भनेर हेर्ने पनि क्वेशन्सहरु हुन्छ। त्यस्तै you might have to face some situation where you are under a little threat. के डरको अवस्थामा त्यस्तो सिचुएसनमा के गर्छ भन्ने खालको नर्मली यस्तो क्वेशनहरु आएर अनि एन्डमा the interviewing officer will ask, okay, I finished. Do you have any questions? यो क्वेशनमा चाहिँ अघि बिहानै हामीले कुरा गरिसक्यो हैन त। एकदमै जल्दो बल्दो केही छ भनेदेखि सोध्ने हो, नत्र थ्यांक यू सर, हैव अ गुड डे भन्यो उसले हैव अ गुड डे, ओके बाय, सी यू टुमरो भनिदिन्छ, पठाइदिन्छ। ओके राइट। since this is a very personal type of test, this is not very difficult, but then it is not as easy as we think also. Okay. John, तिमीलाई छान्दिया हो कि तिम्रो नाम यतिकै राखिदियो हो?
बुझेन
तिमी यहाँ नमुना इन्टरभ्यू दिनको लागि तयार छौ भने?
यस सर।
अनि पुष्पानी छैन? Any girls want to try? Naira? Okay. You all want 10 minutes break or what?
No sir, no sir.
ल 2 minutes मा त त्यो लाइन लागेर if any okay, if you have very necessary, use 5 minutes, but whoever doesn't need to go, stay here. I'm starting after 5 minutes. I'm not waiting. So 5 minutes मा जो आयो नभए अब we'll close.
सर सर मेरो चाहिँ एउटा प्रब्लम छ कि सर भन्नाले एउटा चाहिँ पहिला सर एउटा के अरे एउटा फिक्स एउटा प्लानिङ गरेर गएको हुन्छ सर अब यो बोल्छु भनेर सर होइन तर चाहिँ त्यो उसमा ठाउँमा गइसकेपछि चाहिँ सबै कुरो चाहिँ अब त्यही सर अब त्यहाँबाट जाने सर माइन्डबाटै आउट हुने किन हो सर त्यसलाई चाहिँ प्लानिङ गरेको अनुसार चाहिँ गर्न सकिँदैन
प्लान गरे अनुसार गर्न सक्दैन भने
सबै चाहिँ सकिन्न क्या सर धेरै सकिन्न यो बोल्छु भनेर आफ्नो एउटा प्लानिङ हुन्छ नि सर
एउटा मलाई उदाहरण देऊ न यस्तो चीज गरे हुन्छु यो सक्दिन
अब सर अब के अरे परिचयको सम्बन्धीमा यो भनेर जान्छु मेरो नाम यो यसरी यो भनेर एउटा प्लानिङ गरेर गएको हुन्छ सर त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ सबै कुरो सेभ हुन्न कि सर त्यो जब त्यो चेयरमा बसेपछि त्यसको चाहिँ 20% 30% मात्रै याद हुन्छ कि सर त्यो फियरले हो कि के हो सर
अब दुईटा चीज भयो एउटा चाहिँ तिमीले जुन चीज यो टेक्निकमा के छ भनेदेखि फर्स्ट अफ अल when you are giving any exam, it is very normal that we feel a little fear. Very normal. If I have to go for a new exam, even at my age, I will feel some fear. The fear, not like you, but my fear might be, am I prepared for all the questions? What kind of man will be taking my interview? Maybe my fear will he be understanding? Will he be understanding my views? Voila. But once I am there, when you are fearing, what happens is normally your mouth goes dry, your head goes dry, most things stop working. डराएपछि तिमीहरूले एकदम डराएको बेलामा याद गर्यो भनेदेखि एक सिसी पानी कल 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 खाएर ढक्क राख्दाखेरि पनि यो जिब्रो छाम्यो भने अझै च्याट च्याट गरिरहेको हुन्छ कहाँ गयो पानी थाहा हुँदैन त्यो जिउ यसरी त्यो डरको टाइममा मान्छेलाई अलर्ट गर्छ कि व्हाट इज कल द्याट एड्रेनालिनको रस यस्तो हुन्छ कि त्यो तिमीले खाएको पानीको सिसी सबै त्यसले बाफ बनाइदिसक्यो इट इज अलर्टिङ इच एन्ड एभ्री नर्भ इन यर सिस्टम त्यस्तो गर्ने आउँछ एन्ड एड्रेनालिन पम्प भनेको खेलाडीहरूले खेल्ने बेला जोस हुन्छ नि त्यसो यस्तो हो त्योभन्दा पनि हाम्रो त्यो जिउमा आउने त्यो पम्पिङ त्यस्तो धेरै हुन्छ अब त्यो भनेको चाहिँ के त फियर त्यसको काउन्टर पार्ट भनेको यु सुड बी फिलिङ कन्फिडेन्ट टु फिल कन्फिडेन्ट नम्बर वान थिङ वाट एभर यु आर गोइङ टु स्पिक यु मस्ट हेभ रिहर्स्ड मेनी टाइम्स इट बिकम्स बाई हार्ट पाठ गरे आयो त कि अब आजकल त व्रत बन्धन नगर्ने नै कति छ व्रत बन्द गरेर मन्त्र नपढ्ने नै कति छ त्यो मन्त्र पनि के हो नभन्ने नै कति छ अब जनाइ लाएर हिँड्यो लाउनु पर्नेले लाउनु नपर्ने जनाइ लाएर हिँड्यो त्यो त बेकुफ हो लाउनु पर्नेले नलाई हिँड्दाखेरि चल्या छ भनेको छ भनेपछि हामीहरू के गर्छ त रुलहरू मान्दैनौँ नि त बुढापाकाले यो रुल मान भनेर भनेको त खाएनलाई नि भए त किन त्यो रुल बनाउँथ्यो होला त्यो बुढापाकाले? तिमीले किन त्यो जुनी कटायो होला र? केही त कारण छ। तिनले हामीलाई बुझाउन सकेनन् अनि हामी पनि तिनीहरूको कुरा बुझ्न सकेनौँ र यो चिजहरू छुट्दै आएको हो नि। पहिला पहिला यसले यो खाऊ त्यसले त्यो नखाऊ भनेर एउटा बाँधेको हुन्थ्यो। तिमीहरू जन्मिँदाखेरि त त्यो सिस्टम मोटामोटी सबै हट्यो। राँगोको मासु नेवारले अनि तामाङले अनि यसले खाऊ है भनेको थियो पहिला, धेरै अगाडि तिमीहरू जन्मिनु अगाडि। अहिले त भन्यो भने त मान्छे हाँस्छ। खसीको मासु छेत्रीले अनि खानिभे बाहुनले खाऊ भनेको थियो। अनि कुखुरा बाहुनको चुलोमा नउकाल्नु भनेको थियो। छेत्रीले पनि यता आँगन साँगनमा पकाएर खानु। There are restrictions. But we thought all these ancestors were jokers. But what happened now? Baun is eating rango, Chetri is eating rango, Newari is eating rango, Mogar is eating rango, Gurung is eating. Everybody is eating rango. Rango's price has gone up. Affordability for the poor has been very hard. Everybody is eating. So the bhai baunle ni खाइदियो, छेत्रीले नि खाइदियो। तिमीहरू कहाँ खान्छौ भने त मोमो खा हाल नि त हैन। त्यो त सबभन्दा सस्तो प्लेट मोमो थियो भने कसैले नछोड्ने भयो। त्यसले गर्दाखेरि के भयो त अरूको भाग लुट्दियो नि त। भनेपछि सर्टन रुल्स थियो। त्यो रुल्समा के थियो त दिस थिङ्स वाट वी आर कलिङ मन्त्रस पढ्ने पनि थियो। भनेपछि तिमीहरूको यो प्र्याक्टिसहरू भनेको पनि सर्टन चिजमा के पनि छैन। यो के चलाइरहेको छ के ए यसलाई त उडाउनु पर्ने भयो भनेपछि त्यसको पज बटन गर्नु आउँछ।